So how to use the VPS and how to register a VPS, a your virtual server. So you'll be using a virtual server for your big app programming access, just like using the CMS like Drupal, Joomla, and WordPress. So if you'll be adding, so you'll need yeah, virtual hosting, yeah, or VPS. So I click here, and yeah, it give you a tour how this VPS works. So this one is your, yes, CPU, how the speed works. I mean the speed, your RAM that is needed in your disk space, and the monthly bandwidth, yeah, of this one. And IP, you use IP2 or IP4, and registration is $15. If you have, so you use existing one. Alright, so you'll be using an existing one. So as saying to demo.com, and I'll be using, for example, you're using a Drupal. The access is really big, and you need a good, yeah, spacing and speed of the RAM. So it's really cost, especially your functionality of your website is big, but the performance really good. So you cannot just use level 9 and you're using very simple application. This one is really hard application. That's why it's really expensive. But now I'll be just using example, you're using a Drupal 7 and plenty of modules. So let's take our RAM to this one, and our CPU 113 gigahertz. This one, so this one's really good already, and uh, we'll be using a Linux. It's easy and comfortable, and most of all is open source. So I click this one, and we'll be registering. Wait for a while. Alright, here we go. uh, Let me check the first one here. So we'll be discussing about here. You already have this unlimited domain, subdomain, email accounts, SQL, and weekly backups. Really important, especially you have this, you're using a CMS application, and the programming is really huge. And you have the FTP, free, private, already included. And yeah, and what you have here is the, okay. So I click back again and wait for a while. Yeah, here. So yeah, easily pay on this access easily. So if your country is, you're in, example, you live in Canada, so just type there as that here. Do a demo. It's a demo. Alright, I say, here we go. My phone number and phone and your address here. Type it up, and yeah, you're okay. There we go. And your state. So your state is some Princess Edward, and your zip code. Yeah. So I'm not in Canada, so I'm just using my own country here. Alright, and yeah, my credit card here, and your credit card name, make sure it's correct, and here, credit card number, and what date it will expire. So you make sure it's correct, and here at the back of your credit card, okay, you see there. Alright, you see there at the back, and validate this one. Okay, and yeah, complete. It's done. Just one click, or you use the PayPal account if you have. It's TPS. Yeah, all of the Yeah, if you purchase a web hosting, it's always in SSL, secure second layer. And yeah, most people use PayPal for their security. And I click here, and yeah, here we go. Access code validate, and wait a while. Alright, I already registered. Okay, so that's it. I already registered before, so click this one, it's done easily. Okay, good luck.